They never wanna trade. They talking up on Twitter, but they still gon' be a pain. I'm waiting to this day when they gon' get a brain. They need to understand they ain't winning any game.